At CIH, we're helping simplify installation from the very beginning. Our pre-installation capabilities allow hardware to be expertly installed before your doors ever arrive on site, reducing field labor, minimizing risk, and helping your projects move faster. From hinges and locksets to closers, panic devices, kick plates, and electronic hardware, every component is professionally installed and function tested by our skilled team. Using specialized equipment and a streamlined process, we ensure every opening is prepared with accuracy, consistency, and attention to detail. And because installation happens in our controlled shop environment, we're able to proactively identify and resolve issues before products ever reach your job site. The result is a cleaner, more efficient installation process, with doors arriving organized, protected, and ready for quick installation according to your project timeline. It's a smarter approach that reduces waste, improves coordination, and delivers dependable results from delivery to final install. CIH, pre-installed solutions built to keep your projects moving.